here, baby.
Why did you say a baby?
Because it's a cheeky. And that is a little boy. No, shh. Nanny's busy at the moment, darling. Oh, a pretty girl. Oh, I didn't do a profile of that little boy. And another boy.
Why is that puppy a boy as well?
It's like, because you're a boy. Shh. No talking while Nanny does this. And oh yeah, you're another little boy. Short little nose. Whoops.
Why that's two big boys?
Another boy. Oh. And oh, a little girl. So short. Nice width.
Why is he blurry?